So you came before this honorable court today to complain about prick and toto problem. No matter what it is right now, understand that we are not here to support anyone. If you misbehave, you go collect. That's why we have an officer here. This court proceeding will be recorded. That's why you can see devices. Why did you file a complaint? Why are you suing your husband?
Since when I married this man, they satisfy me for bed. The one time sef when he enter, in prick, no even rise for 2 minutes, he fall back.
You reach 2 minutes.
They even give me head. He no sabi knack, nothing. They give me money. If I tell them say give me money, make I make hair, they give me. I don't know wetin I go do again. I don't tire for the marriage, abeg.
So the problem here is that he does not give you head.
They give me head, and they knack me well.
And his prick does not stay strong. He cannot hammer well. So how many attempts has he made that resulted to failure, that his prick could not deliver?
I no fit count though.
It says here, hold on. It says here that you have been married for 3 years. How many times in that 3 years he don't chook prick for your toto?
Oga, I no fit count, but the ones when you don't chook, nothing come out. They even stand like saying a woman being getter.
Young man, what happened to your prick?
It's okay to me. I don't know what she's talking about. 2 minutes, if I do, I still do okay.
2 minutes?
2 minutes
in this generation. Are you aware that women now know their fundamental rights when it comes to knocking in the other room?
Oh, God,
I'm talking.
Alright, sir. I'm sorry.
You see, when it comes to knocking, 2 minutes is too short for what a woman knows right now. So you need to understand that it has to do with ensuring that you do pass yourself.
Yeah.
It will be a very big mistake for you to continue to take credit for 2 minutes.
2 minutes is a minute, Oga. I go do pass myself. This economy where everybody know as things are, even to go find daily 2K, you go need pass 2K. I do the one way I do. I hustle for my com. You say hustle for your com. 2 minutes,
Madam, since he takes time to hustle for his com in 2 minutes, why don't you hustle for your own com in that same 2 minutes? Why do you prolong your own?
Oga, 2 minutes. How many seconds there inside 2 minutes? I don't feel hustle for come. 2 minutes. They even touch me. Make I say okay, him go touch me. I go feel somehow before. Go do anything. Go just enter like that.
I dey touch you.
No good.
I dey touch you.
Listen.
I don't feel hustle for come for 2 minutes.
Okay, tell me what you do when you are touching.
I dey touch Bobby. I dey touch Nyash.
How long?
Oga, evidence no dey o. How you know? Oga, I dey touch Bobby. I dey touch Nyash.
How long do you take in touching Nyash and touching Bobby?
I dey touch Nyash and Bobby before my dick rise, and if it don't rise, I will forget that one.
So it's about just touching it for your prick to rise. You see, let me tell you something. You have to have a better mission than just touching Nyash for prick to rise. When you touch Nyash, you are supposed to massage it for at least 5 minutes so that it can aid proper blood circulation in that region. So that can aid secretion inside Toto. Don't prioritize yourself over a woman's need. It is wrong. When it comes to that sexualization, you really have to put her first.
I don't feel do pass myself.
And you said you don't lick plate. From what she said, yeah, in the petition, she said you don't lick plate. So why can't you lick her plate? Is she dirty?
She's not dirty.
She's not dirty. So what is your problem? What is stopping you from licking your wife's plate?
Okay, the man's why they take use fast with this. How would they take one?
So now you are saying because you use that mouth to pray and fast, you cannot on top of this. Okay, you have serious problem and this court is going to address it. Now, I want you to know that it is wrong for you not to meet your partner's need. She said she wants you to lick her plate. And you are saying because you use your mouth to pray, you cannot lick plate.
Okay, let me ask her. Say when she licked my pipe before.
Madam, do you suck his pipe? Do you do his pipe when you are not?
I know they do am.
And you want make I do am? You know give this out.
Have you not heard that give and it shall be given unto you?
Oga, I know they.
You don't know that scripture?
I don't understand that one. Oga.
Matthew, in the book of Matthew.
So it's about what you want. You people, how did you people even decide to marry?
Now you say in love. Na wetin talk.
I love you now, baby.
So where is love if you cannot show the love in making the love by meeting each other at the middle and helping each other to reach point of no return?
At that point of no return, I ain't be the wahala.
See, let me tell you something. Your gate man will start knocking your wife very soon.
You're not born and well.
They're not born and
You're
well.
not born and well.
Your boss will soon start knocking your wife.
She know you go agree.
Look,
Mind tell me say you go agree.
I go agree.
Your phone number is here in this case file. Call me later. I need to discuss some things with you.
Yes, my lord.
My lord,
What?
that case pass inside this courtroom.
You see, she may need private counseling.
That means I need therapist. We gotta come.
No, you don't need therapy. You
Become-
need to go home and think about your life. You don't need therapy.
And we are going home together to think about our life.
No, she can come another day and she has to come alone so that she will not be distracted mentally.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, now I am going to address this issue once and for all. The first thing you have to know is this. When you get married, you have to put the vision of that marriage above your selfish interest. What you should prioritize on is what makes both of you happy, not what makes one person happy and the other person sad. You as a man, you are supposed to meet her needs and she's supposed to meet your needs. What she's asking for is not too much. And madam, sucking prick is not so bad. So understand that if you cannot give kindness, why are you expecting love? If you are kind enough to do his pipe like blah, 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 guess what? He will be motivated to make you have such experience also. Give and it shall be given unto you. So this is what we are going to do in this honorable court today. This Gbola and Kpeku's court will not continue to tolerate having people have issues in their marriages because of prick and toto.
I beg. Let me settle this thing. If 2 minutes no reach, let me ask her how many minutes can't take do you?
Really, that 2 minutes is short. Because me, if I'm knocking your wife now, no, if I was to knock your wife,
Okay.
at least standard, if it's too low, 40 minutes.
First half, no, you don't do. Okay?
So let me tell you why it's good to knock for long.
Why?
It takes like 25 minutes for a woman's body to wake up, even if she has agreed to knock. If pants drop, not mean say she don't be mentally ready. That is why you need to do body work for at least 20 minutes. Then you'll constantly press the yansh or massage the kpekus for another 5 minutes. You see that 25 minutes will make her to secrete lots of juice so that your Gbola can swim very well inside that kpekus. So now, Oga, that 2 minutes you are doing shows that
Okay,
your
the
Gbola,
past 2 minutes
I'm
more
talking.
time. The past 2 minutes sometimes.
Listen, it's poor. Even if 5 minutes is just poor. Understand that if you want your marriage to have a bright future, your Gbola needs to have a bright future. Because this young woman you just married, as she gets older, her toto go one prick more. Your hunger for toto will drop. But if you cannot deliver now, what will you do when you are 40? So you need to ensure that you are securing the bright future of your Gbola. And the only way you can do that is to make sure you don't put so much pressure on your prick. That is why you are complaining that 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, and she's complaining. So you need to cheat by applying 25 minutes for body work. So by that time, she go don release 2 times, then it will be easy for you to just do your 2 minutes and you will reach point of no return and both of you will be happy. So I hereby sentence you to 3 plates licking per day. And you must suck Gbola 3 times per day for the next 2 weeks.